To me, this is how someone gets really wealthy. You could trade USD all you want, but think about trading BTC pairs. Hi, my name is Sam Price, professional crypto trader, also known as Crypto Lifer on YouTube. And a lot of people don't know what a BTC pair is or how to trade a BTC pair. What is someone saying when they even call it a pair? Well, pairs are when you put one asset next to another. Simply, if you traded Ethereum for Bitcoin, right? You can actually do that. You can buy ETH, then you can buy Bitcoin for Ethereum. A lot of people don't realize, unlike in stocks where you really have USD and you buy stocks, in crypto, you can buy different cryptos with different cryptos. Imagine if you could buy Apple, and you could take an Apple stock and you could buy Tesla stock with it. That's very similar to crypto. I can use Algorand to buy something. I can use almost any crypto to buy another crypto. Now, there aren't pairs everywhere, but there's swaps, and I can swap almost on decentralized exchanges. So you can technically swap any crypto for another crypto at its fair value price. Find out what they are, and you swap them back and forth. You pay a fee in the exchange, and you're ready to go. So that's basically the basis of cryptocurrency. So understanding Bitcoin pairs is really understanding what we're all doing here. Back when I started in 2017, trading crypto mainly, we didn't have USDT. It was out a little bit, or it was starting to come out, but it just wasn't prevalent, and you didn't have a lot of pairs on the exchanges. Almost every exchange had only Bitcoin pairs. You had to buy Bitcoin at a Coinbase or an onboarding, where a place where you had your bank connected. Then you had to send the Bitcoin over to the exchange. That was how you did business. That was how you got into any single trade. Then I would trade, and every time I got into a trade, I have to look at, I put 0.1 Bitcoin, Bitcoin's at 15,000. Okay, I put in $1,500 into the trade, And I was like, all right, Bitcoin's up now at 16, and I got out of the trade with 0.02, and it was crazy. I had to always take my gains out, find out what I made in gains. Then I had to find out where Bitcoin was. And then sometimes I either had to sell back in to USD, right, to protect the gains. I was doing this all on Bittrex. BitTrex was my first exchange that I ever really got my hands wet, or my feet wet on, and got my hands dirty on. Bittrex, right? So BTC pairs, right now here's EGLD Bitcoin. And I'm not saying this is guaranteed to go up, and just because I show this does not mean you should buy it. Never buy something you see on YouTube. You should do your own research, do your own due diligence before you get into any project, coin, or trade. But look, this is an idea here. It's a bit of a cup with a handle. It's a falling wedge. It's getting oversold in the 4 hour, and it's lacking momentum on the MACD, and you're getting a bit of you're bouncing at a resistance point, and you're below 50 on the RSI. If this breaks out from where it's at now, and we go a little lower to the area here, this will make about 14% gain. So if you were to put a whole Bitcoin in here, you would make 0.14 Bitcoin on that Bitcoin. Okay, a little over 10%, for about a little over 10% on your Bitcoin. So you use Bitcoin to gain more Bitcoin. So the idea is to buy Bitcoin on the low, like I've been doing during this last time, 17,000, 18,000, right? And if it goes down to 10K, buy more down there. And then as the market rips and we find a bottom, continuously trade BTC pairs for more. So a lot of BTC pairs have gone up and down. We have a list right here for BTC markets. And this is going to show you every single Bitcoin pair, right? Like for instance, right now, Flux is banging on Bitcoin. So you could have put Bitcoin in to Flux, let's just say, I don't know, a week ago, right? As it goes up a little more here. So 1 Bitcoin right now would be 1.5 Bitcoins. You would have made half a Bitcoin, which is the scarcest asset in the world. So to trade a pair for another pair, to me, this is how someone gets really wealthy. You could trade USD all you want, but think about trading BTC pairs. Watch this. Someone has US Tether, and they trade Flux, and they trade 10 grand to 100 grand, and then they leave it there. And they're like, okay. The same person takes 1 Bitcoin and turns it into, let's just say, 10 Bitcoin. They 10x it, right? And then they leave it there in a hard wallet for 3 years, and Bitcoin goes up another 10x. They've just 10x that 10x. You get it? So Bitcoin can compound gains like you've never thought. But you got to think about it. You got to think it through and realize what's going on. You also have to trade it at the right time, and you have to know how to get in and get it out of the BTC pairs. They're not easy. You have to know what you're doing, and it's not, I make it look a lot easier than it is. You're going to have to get an education. You're going to have to learn this stuff. This is what I teach in my trading group. This is what you learn from other people. This is what you learn by immersing yourself in crypto and joining the right group of people. Become a lifer today for $99. It's basically $3 a day to have access to me dang near 24/7. I sleep for 6 to 8 hours depending on the night, and I'm here all the time. I live stream every single day, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. I'll teach you stuff like this, nice and neat and complete. And I can't wait to see you on my next live stream. Crypto is life.